think of this, girls? I've still got my charcoal, but I'm wearing it as a dress, and I've taken the camisole away and I've taken the wrap away, but I've left the belt. Now look at that for an option. Not everybody's thing, but why not? Why not? Another option is to bring it down as a belt, just loosely on your hips. And remember always to do a little tweak, because you don't want it like a bandage. You want to have a little bit of shape or a little bit of softness in it. Now what I'm going to do now, so we had it up there, I'm already showing you two looks, so I'm cheating. Get yourself a sarong, and if you can, or if you're clever, just get a 1.5 meters of fabric and just do a fine hem around it. Get the outer tips, opposite tips. That's kind of creating, not that I'm a great sewer, but that's called a bias, okay? You've got a little bit of stretch in it. Flick that over your shoulder. Take the corner, like we do with our CADARRA wrap. Feed it through so that it's kind of secure. Hold it there. And if you've got the bright enough colour, which this fabulous piece has, you can just get away with it like that. Or you can bring it down to a wrap. You can flick it, you can do what you like. But that's just showing you the grey CADARRA, the burnt orange belt, and any little length of fabric or sarong that you might have in your wardrobe. I'm having so much fun with these colour combinations. See you next time. Bye.